pointed this way, right?
No, it's pointed at you right now.
Oh, hey everybody.
Hey everyone, this is Jeff Cutler from With Jeff. I want to welcome you to episode 41. And in this episode, Sam Zilic and I run around Natick Common and the whole area surrounding his house. One of the things I had done earlier in the day was record some drone footage for a real estate agent out in Shrewsbury, I think, that day. And since I had the drone with me, we got a nice look of the downtown Natick area. The church right there, I think, is not positive, but it might be Episcopal. Someone correct me. One of the things you'll notice is that I really have to keep paying attention to the drone up in the sky. Otherwise, shots like this won't be possible because I have to see where I'm headed and then get the picture. It's nice to have someone filming me while I drone because it's the first time I've had that. So thank you very much, Sam Zilic.
Jeff is flying his drone.
Yeah, I see it. It's up there.
Flying the drone over the common, we were looking for Doug Flutie, if you can believe that. I don't know if Samson knows who Doug Flutie is, so maybe he'll run into him in town.
How's the view looking?
It's so big.
And there's the view, guys.
Wow.
That's pretty cool. There's Jeff doing the controls for us.
Yeah, he's going higher. Going higher. Going higher. Going higher. And higher.
Make her get a picture of your house.
That's awesome. Hey, welcome guys. My name's Sam Zilic. I moved here in February and we're standing here at the Natick Common. This year, there's about like 12 of these. These are little
Free library?
little free library. You can return and you can drop off a book, and then just like this, I just picked up Elevation by Stephen King. It was placed right here. Took it out, and obviously it's an honor system. So when you're done with it, return it. But yeah, so the Black Lives Matter was right at that statue.
Now, whose statue is that?
Oh, I actually haven't even read it, but I think it's probably for the wars and things like that.
All right, I'm gonna step out to like 8 feet away and take off my mask. Hey, where'd you go? Hey, where'd you go? Hey, where'd you go? Usually when I do footage, I do voiceover, but I can't voice over you.
That's true. You don't need to voice over me. I don't want to walk on the mulch, but...
Right. Well, they chained it off, so you should be able to do it. If you jump in and pick all the flowers, you can probably see it.
It says the War of 1861.
The War of 1861?
We'll have to look it up.
Was it Natick versus Framingham?
I would think this would be, one of these trees would be one of his.
Unless the stone is where the tree was and it's down now.
Yeah.
The Wilson tree, I bet the tree was here. Yeah. This tree was set here.
Here, yes, correct.
And I imagine that this plaque was attached to the tree.
Oh, yeah.
Yep.
That's probably it. Yeah.
I mean, look at the screw holes. They've been removed once or twice.
Oh my goodness, yeah, you can tell they are.
Yeah.
Yep.
And quickly running down the sidewalk to the sign.
Welcome to Natick, everybody. Have a great day. Because I'm so used to it now.
You? What about me?
But you look fit though, which is crazy. You look pretty fit.
I'm 177.
I'm 155.
All right. But you're not the tallest.
No. Pointed this way, right?
Pointed this way, right? Pointed this way, right? Pointed this way, right? Pointed this way, right? Pointed this way, right?
Pointed this way, right?
Pointed this way, right?
No, it's pointed at you right now.
Oh, hey everybody. So as we take a little pause, this is the street, this is North Avenue, and my apartment is about 1,000 feet away. A lot of new apartments in this area on your left and on your right. This is the parking lot to it. But yeah, North Avenue can be really busy at times. We have a lot of joggers and walkers around here. So yeah, this book is Elevation by Stephen King. A quick, satisfying read. The sign of master simply elevating his own legendary game yet again. Yes, sir.
So it goes into the belt,
Yeah.
and you just hide it away.
It doesn't bother you or anything.
No, it's all Velcroed in.
Yeah.
The only trouble is here,
Yeah.
because it's close there, but there's stuff at the edge of the belt before everything else.
And as you can tell, I'm right into the thing.
Oh, that's perfect. Does it shake you?
No, maybe a little bit.
But you're on the right side of the tracks.
Oh yeah. The grill came with the apartment,
Oh, I love it. I had one.
and I've been grilling.
It's great. I have almost the same grill.
It's awesome. I want a little tent though, so I can keep shade. And
You need
there's my
something.
apartment in there.
You know what you could do? Maybe. Oh, I don't know.
They still haven't done the siding on it,
Yeah.
but we want to get.
You know
up
what you
the-
could do?
Yeah.
Right? You could attach a big pole right here.
Yeah.
Attach it to this, so it's straight up. You might have to notch that,
Oh yeah, and then
but then you could have an umbrella.
right.
All you're doing is you go to an outdoor store, buy a pool table umbrella.
Take a seat. It came here.
It's not like a memorial bench.
No, nope. You put this here.
Oh, it's nice.
Yeah. Yeah. So this is the area.
I like it. It's basic, but it's good.
I had a great time in Natick with Sam, and I'm sure to go back. I think he's going to come out to the coast for the next visit. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, hit the bell icon for notifications, and click thumbs up.